O Father dear, 'tis oft I hear you speak of Erin's isle, with lofty scenes and valleys green, her mountains rude and wild. They say it is a lovely land wherein a prince might dwell. Oh, why did you abandon it? The reason to me tell. O son, I loved our native land with energy and pride, until a drought came o'er land. My sheep, my cattle died. My rent and taxes were to pay. I could not them redeem, and that's the cruel reason why I left old Skibbereen. 'Tis well I do remember that cold December day, and Lord and the sheriff came for to drive us all away. They set my roof on fire with their demon yellow spleen, and that's another reason why I left old Skibbereen. Your mother too, God rest her soul, she fell on snowy ground, and faint and in her anguish all the desolation round. She ne'er rose but passed away from life to mortal dream, and that's yet another reason why I left old Skibbereen. And you were only 2 years old, and feeble was your frame. I could not leave you with my friends, for you bore your father's name. I wrapped you up in my coat of more in the dead of night unseen. I heaved a sigh and bade goodbye to dear old Skibbereen. Oh, Father dear, the day will come when on vengeance loud we'll call, and Irishmen of every creed will rally one and all. I'll be the man to lead the van beneath our flag of green, when loud and high we'll raise the cry, revenge French for Skippery.